Hi everyone, I'm Siu from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to lock the Telegram app. Locking Telegram helps protect your messages and maintain privacy by adding an extra layer of security. So let's get started on how to lock Telegram on iPhone. First, open the Telegram app on your iPhone. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security option. Under Privacy and Security, look for the passcode and Face ID option and tap on it. Now, tap on the Turn Passcode On option. You will be asked to enter a passcode. Choose the passcode that you will remember but is secure. Re-enter the same passcode to confirm. Now you have locked your Telegram app. If you want to use your Face ID for added convenience, tap the toggle switch right next to Unlock with Face ID to turn it on. This will allow you to unlock the app using your face. And this is how you can lock the Telegram app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.